we have negative 2 divided by 5 times z is greater than or equal to 2. Hopefully this one wasn't too hard to read because my handwriting sucks. So if we have negative 2/5 times z is greater than or equal to 2, we need to get rid of the fraction that's attached to the negative 2/5. And hopefully you remembered that to get rid of any fraction, to turn any fraction into a 1, you have to multiply it by its opposite, by its reciprocal. And if you multiply the left side by its reciprocal, you're also going to multiply the right side by the reciprocal, which the reciprocal is just the flipped version. So if this is negative 2 divided by 5, or negative 2 over 5, you're just going to flip the numbers and you have 5 over negative 2. Now this leaves you with the variable by itself, because if you multiply this fraction right here, if we multiply that out, 5 So when we multiply that out, 5 times negative 2 on the top is going to be a negative 10. And negative 2 times 5 on the bottom is also going to be a negative 10. And negative 10 divided by negative 10 is going to leave us with a positive 1 that we're looking for. And so that means that this over here is going to turn now into a 1. And because the 1 we don't show, we have just z left over. Now on the right side, we're going to do the same process. We've got 2 over 1 times 5 over negative 2. And 2 times 5 is equal to 10, and 1 times negative 2 is equal to negative 2, and 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5, positive divided by negative is equal to a negative 5. And so now we have that z on the left side, we have a negative 5 on the right side, and then because we multiplied by a negative value, this negative 2 down here, which is easy to miss, so because we multiply by that negative number, we're also going to have to flip our sign. So instead of a greater than or equal to sign, we're now going to be a less than or equal to sign. So z is less than or equal to negative 5. And we're going to graph that by finding negative 5. Z can equal negative 5, so that's a closed circle. And if z is less than negative 5, that's going to be to the left.